Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. So we're on the 1 hour time frame. Hopefully, you've seen my most recent video because I was talking about how this is likely the end of a correction in my most recent video. And then what happens at the end of a correction is it goes up and makes a new high. It was actually almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves down. Very, very, very nice move to the upside. Now, as you can see, it made higher highs, higher lows on like the 30-minute, 1 hour time frame, and now we're starting to get some lower highs. The symmetry of this move up is definitely gone, which means that more than likely we are in a pullback already. More than likely we are going to make some sort of a pullback, maybe 23, 38% pullback. It really could go to any one of these Fed levels. But I'm pretty convinced that the higher time frame is not over. I mean, the trend is definitely still up on every single higher time frame. So for me personally, as more of a little bit of a swing trader, definitely am going to be waiting patiently for three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, whether it's a 38, 23, I don't really care what it is. I just want to see like a 1, 2, 3-way pullback to a fib level and then golfing move to the upside to go long, potentially for the continuation of this very high time frame uptrend that is up on the monthly, weekly, and daily. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.